So guys, today was a very interesting day, interesting expiry day. And the reason it was interesting was because it was a V-shaped kind of a day, means that the market fell in the first half and in the second half it went back up. Not only went back up, it actually went up higher than the level it was in the morning. So these days they happen on expiry days. This is not very abnormal, but these days are also a little hard to trade because you need to pivot yourself. You need to understand that the game is over on one side. Now that you have to start selling put options. So for me, it was an okay kind of a day. This is how the day started. This is a recording of the trades, and I was actually doing pretty well up until noon, and I was doing fine. And then all of a sudden, when the reversal started, then it took me some time to to adjust myself, and then that kind of put a little bit of a turbulence in my trades, and then there was another fall in the market which kind of made me worried that this is going to be another wave of fall. So those were the things that you need to adapt to, and you need to kind of manage. But eventually things worked out. Eventually it was a profitable day. So again, I think if you see the big picture, what is happening is that we still are struggling around 16,000 zone. Whenever we go to somewhere around 15,900 or 800, we find some buying support. And whenever we go up to 16,400, we see the selling pressure. So in this tight range, it's actually very hard to trade, very hard to make money. The reason expiry days are relatively better as compared to other days is because there is something working in your favor, right? The time decay is working in your favor. So even if you are wrong about the direction of the market, you can still you can still end up making some money, provided that you don't make some expensive mistakes or stand against the market when it is moving with momentum. So that is essentially what it is. Right now I don't have any directional bias on the market. I'm going to wait for the market to break this range either on the upside or on the downside, and based on that I will decide whether which way the market really wants to go, right? And one piece of advice is that when the markets are down, it's always a good idea to keep investing, right? So always look for opportunities to buy good quality stocks, good quality mutual funds, so that when the market goes up, you can see the benefit of them at that point of time, right? So that is basically it, guys. I didn't have much to share. This is how the overall day went. Could have done better. Definitely could have done better. That's a learning for another day. Hopefully I can manage these kind of days better, right? So I hope you guys also were able to trade. If you did, hopefully you made some money as well.